guided meditation for self-love. Come to a nice, relaxed position, sitting either in a chair or on the ground. And if you choose to sit in a chair, just ensure that your feet are firmly planted on the floor, that the spine is long, the shoulders are relaxed and away from the ears. Now take a deep inhale through your nose and a long exhale out your mouth. Release any tension in your body or your mind. And take another deep inhale through your nose. And then a long exhale out your mouth. Now gently close your eyes and place your right hand over top of your heart with your left hand over top of your right. And begin to feel your heart beating beneath your palm. There is a wisdom in your heart that knows the gifts that you are here to share. And sometimes in life, through hearing the judgments of others about ourselves, we can begin to internalize those and believe them to be truths. If they make you feel small, scared, angry, or distrustful of yourself, take another inhale through your nose and release anything that feels negative, heavy, or dishonest out through the exhale. So you are here for a reason. You have been given the gift of life. And we all come into the world in different forms with different gifts to share. And sometimes in life, through the judgments of others, we release our power, our self-respect, and our self-love. And instead, again, we internalize the judgments that we've heard from others and take them on as our own. And through this meditation, I would like you to start to release them. Honor yourself. Give to yourself. Love yourself. Be good to yourself. Treat yourself in the way that you would treat the people that you love most dearly. Care for yourself the way that you would care for someone that you love deeply. You must embody that self-love because you again have been given the gift of life. There is only one of you in all time. Honor it. Honor your life. Honor the gift of life. And bestow love upon yourself. Speak to yourself with kindness. Speak to yourself with encouragement. You will see how much further you can go, how much greater you will feel, how much more you'll be able to give. So as you sit here with your hands still over top of your heart and feeling the beat of your own heart beneath your palm, what is one thing that you have been told about yourself that may be creating a barrier between yourself and love? And make a decision to release that now. And whatever it is that you heard within your own mind or that has been said to you that you have internalized, I want you to now say to yourself the opposite of that. And I'd like you to repeat that to yourself 5 times. And whenever it comes up for you, just allow for it to come up. Allow for there to be a release. And now you can begin to repeat aloud or in your mind, deciding to love myself is a wonderful agreement. Each day I allow my love for myself to grow more and more. I deserve love and self-respect. My self-esteem grows along with my self-love. I love and accept everything about myself. I completely and always love myself. Every part of me that makes me who I am is encompassed with love. Now gently open your eyes. Take another deep inhale through your nose. And a long exhale out your mouth and just release. Just soften, relax, release. And now place your left hand over top of your heart and place your right hand over top of your left. And repeat to yourself, I love myself. I love myself. I love myself. And whenever in your own mind a thought comes up that's not in alignment with self-love, release it. And each time you do, you will create a new pattern of self-love for yourself, which is what you deserve. Love.